Okay, so this one right here is the alternator bracket there. I don't remember what that is, but that was something. Let's see. There's the oil pump, one of the oil pump bolts, the timing cover bolts right there. Here's this other bracket right there for the alternator as well. That long one right there, and this one, the bolt goes from the back right there. It's really dirty. There's that. There's the distributor goes. Okay, and then here is the power steering and the air pump. Oops, on this one here. Let's go back this way. Sorry. Right there. That's how that goes. So right there, those two, and then there's that one right there behind there, and then there's that bracket right there. That's for the air pump as well, right there. Sorry. So that goes right there. There's that right there. Okay. Let's go back here. And I know there's those two bolts right there, or nuts. And that is horrible. It's dark out here, and I'm just doing this for myself. There's the fuel pump, which was new for a little bit. There's some more timing cover bolts. There's that. There's the bolts under there to take the timing cover off as well. There's one on the other side. Okay, there's that bolt right there for the air pump and the power steering pump. That bolt back there. Can't really see it. Back there, right there. That's in the back over there. Okay, so again, that bracket there. There's the bracket in the bottom here. Right there. And then there's this bracket right here. And that bracket right there. That little top bracket there. There's that bolt back there. And it's back there. Can't see shit right there. There's the bolt right there. And then there's all these bolts right here. Okay. Okay. I think that's pretty much it.